MLA ke National People's Party na Umsning Dr. Celestine Lingdo ula penpau ke jingbam misngoi hab bakal yang persya ban wanra jing penting ha kabaya day bat ke jing Shim ram dak sarkar Jylla. Habaya Shim bentah ke jing tai kelum halor ke mang tingka arja arpusan arja arpunrio ha ke sngi bahnyo ke dorbar mang tingka jong ke yang dorbar tawan ke Jylla ha ke spau tari ula ber arja arpusan Dr. Celestine ula ong. Baki we ki Jylla ha ke ri ki baklan Shim ram ki kieu syakmat ha ke roi ke par bat Kyntiew yo menteri rang ba bau day ban Pynshlur ban yalam ya ke Jylla bat ban Shim ram dak bakhen jing khen ba. Dak ba penpau bakal long ke badon kam ban ra ke Jylla sya ke Jingkieu ha ke roi ke par day ban Shim ram. Ula ai Jingmut ru yo menteri rang ba ban yang scam long ki bakut Jingmut bat ban penlet Jingmut wat la ki don ki ban kentha. Dr. Celestine ula kran ru halor ke jing don kam ya ki projek surok ban pelat ya ke jing theng kali bat jing thot ka lek kawan ki khana skul. Nalor ke tau ula penkesan persya ya ke jing saukhia kaliang persya halor ki consultant ha ke bau loong bagi don ke benta bakoksan ban pentelun ya ki kam chakman.
Is riddled with negative narratives. Presently, sir, whatever the government gives, whether it be a road, whether it be an office building, CNRD block, the discussion in the towns and villages is that they always allege they are giving all this on loan money, borrowed money, and so on and so forth. Last year, in the month of September, one young chap came to meet me for a certificate to get a registration number of vehicles. So when he approached me, I asked him, "What vehicle do you have?" He said, "I have an Innova." Then I was surprised because he was not that rich. I asked him, "How you got?" He said, "I got it through the CM 11. And through this scheme, I have to pay only about 12 lakhs instead of the total 30 lakhs. I was very happy. Then I asked him, "Did all your friends who applied got?" He said, "No. Only a few of us." So will the government be able to pay every applicant at one go? The answer is no. Can the government pay in a phased manner to each and every aspirant? Certainly. In a phased manner, everyone will get the benefit. The only issue is the government should take steps and to move in the right direction. In this very august house, even the naming of the schemes has become an issue. CM Elevate, CM Focus, CM Assure. One of the members has even said that it is a self-glorification of the Chief Minister. I feel I differ from that view. CM is not Celestine Merbo, Elevate scheme. Neither is it Charles Marngar Elevate scheme, nor is it Conrad Momin scheme. The naming of the scheme, I think the cabinet is at liberty. And CM is the name given to the office. Whoever sits in that, it is not the person, it is the office that is giving the scheme. But yes, where should we improve? Even though I am in the ruling, I see that clear guidelines of the different schemes and the eligibility criteria, this has to be readily available to the general public so that it makes it easy for them whether they are eligible or not. I would like to bring to the attention of the Chief Minister and the PWD Minister. We have the 4-lane highway now from Jorabat to Barapani. In my first term as an MLA, we have discussed with the project director Nahai to provide food over bridges. At that point of time, they agreed. But somehow, till date, it has never materialized. The moment I won again as an MLA, I talked with the DC, and the DC Nongpo said, "No point discussing with project director Nahai. Better flag this issue directly with the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways." They will do. So I would like to urge upon the Chief Minister and PWD Minister, we need food over bridges in Bernihat. I'm not talking only for my constituency. In Bernihat, we need 2 overbridges in Nongpo, 2 overbridges in Umsning area, and so on and so forth. If you see the students who have to cross from right or to the left, or from the left to the right when they go to school, it reminds me of the cartoon Tom and Jerry, where Tom is the traffic and Jerry is a student. They have to look very carefully to cross the road because there are many instances where accidents have happened. So if we get this foot over bridges, it will be really beneficial to our students and it will prevent many unwanted incidents. During the first session of this House, we had a heated argument with the PWD minister. At that time, I was sitting in the opposition. Now I am in the ruling. But the issue remains the same. We get roads, we get development, but the issue of how we maintain our roads, that still remains. If I get a road in my constituency and overloaded trucks, if they ply through that road will not last. So maybe we can regulate the weight of the truck that ply, or maybe we can change the specifications and the thickness of the roads. Then only it will be meaningful that we get a road that will last. As a son of Riboy, I would like to say thank you to the Chief Minister for creating the Mauhati CNRD block. It is not in my constituency, but at least when that new block is given, the Umsning CNRD block will be relieved of so many hundred villages and the efficiency of Umsning block will improve. So I must say thank you on behalf of the people. On the issue of consultancy, that is also a big discussion in this House. Sir, I would like to give an illustration or an example. Since I am a doctor, I am not the only doctor in the House. Consultancy. If I am the chief consultant surgeon, I sit in my OPD, a patient comes, I diagnose, then I admit in the ward. I am the chief consultant, my assistant consultant, my junior doctors, nurses will do the rest of the work. The moment he is admitted, I forget about the patient. The next morning when I go for round, I will ask, how is the blood report, the x-ray, so on and so forth. All is done by the junior doctors. Now, when the treatment is completed, the credit goes to whom? To the chief consultant. Now the nurses will say, we did all the work of giving drip injections and we were there with the patients. We should be paid more. The junior doctors will also say, we did more work. The credit and the payment is all taken by the consultant. Is it fair? I feel it is not fair. Let us step back a bit, 2 steps back. If the chief consultant was not there, would they, I mean the patient party, in this case, the patient is the state government and the patient party is the funding agencies. Without this chief consultant, will the patient and the patient party come for the treatment? I think not. But it's because of the chief consultant that was there, because of his reputation, track record, and reliability, they have agreed to go into the contract. Now during the operation, since I have full faith in my assistant, I tell him, this is only an appendicular mass. Example, you do the operation, I will wait, but I will observe. My junior doctor performs the surgery, I stand by, and during that time I can hum, I can sing a song, or maybe I can play Need for Speed on my mobile. The next question is, can I play PUBG? It's up to me. If I want to play PUBG, if I like it, I would have played. So the issue of consultants taking away the major chunk of the money while the others are not getting, that has to end today, sir. It has to be clear because without the chief consultant, nothing will happen.
So, honorable members, would you please mind to...
Sir, interesting points are coming. Allow me.
Interesting.
I was checking about the, we're talking about debts, so I check a particular article given by the Business Today e-paper. It came out on the 27th of February, the rising debts of states. You can check online. It is available now also, where this article has given, according to RBI report, which are the states that are having the maximum loans or debts. Tamil Nadu is number 1 at 8.3 lakh crores. UP at 7.2 lakh crores is number 2. Maharashtra, West Bengal, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh. These are the top 10 states with maximum debts. Interestingly, when I check which are the states that are having the biggest GSDP or most developed, I find the same states are in the list. Maharashtra is at number 1 with the GSDP at 42.67 lakh crores. Tamil Nadu number 2, Karnataka, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Rajasthan and the rest. Now what is the inference that we get out of this? The states that are daring to take maximum loans are also the states that are best performing. So I must urge the Chief Minister, be courageous. There is a Latin phrase that says, ex nihilo nihil. Out of nothing, nothing comes. Or nothing comes out of nothingness. If the Chief Minister and the Cabinet want to take the state to greater heights and glory and development, they should be daring to take loans. Calculated risk. There's no pain, no gain. Ex nihilo nihil. In the devolution of taxes, sir, Meghalaya is only receiving 0.767% out of the total devolution. But we must pray that the tax collection of the central government increase year by year. Even though the percentage is small, the amount that we'll get will keep rising. So my advice to the Chief Minister and the Cabinet is, be firm, stay determined, remain focused, while you drive the state along the road to development. There will be a lot of honking, a lot of people will try to overtake, but remain focused. If you need to borrow more, please do, but maintain the speed limit. In your speech, sir, you have given the fiscal deficit percentage is only 2.96% of the GSDP. You are well within the speed limit. Keep driving. We want the state to develop. On a lighter note, sir, I think it was you who mentioned that there are many success stories out of the government schemes. I have heard of the success story of the different self-help groups in Garo Hills. And Nokma ice cream is there. And Awang chips is there. We heard the success story. Sir, why not? We have this session till Thursday. Let us taste the success also. Order some Nokma ice cream and Awang chips we can try out in the house. With these few words, sir, I resume my seat and thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.